Today I'm going to show you 5 simple mods for your GR Corolla that will cost about $200 total. F1 style third brake light, tinted rear reflectors, GR4 vinyl decals, LED interior lights, sequential side mirror directionals. This is the F1 style third brake light module. It's a simple plug-and-play install. Open the hatch and remove the cover so you can access the third brake light. Once the cover is open, reach in and disconnect the harness from the third brake light. Plug the F1 style third brake light module into the brake light harness. Then plug the other end into the third brake light. Push the wires inside and then reinstall the third brake light cover. If you don't like the rear reflectors on your GR Corolla, you can use spray on lens paint to black them out. I used Rust-Oleum lens paint. You'll also need some painter's tape and masking paper. Start by using the painter's tape to mask off the area around the reflectors. Then use the masking paper to cover the bumper and side of the car. Once the area is masked off, you can start spraying. Apply several very light coats using an up and down motion. Your spray should be quick and light. Even though I've done this several times, mistakes can happen. As you can see, my spray was too heavy on the top portion of the reflector, and it's starting to run. The great thing about this product is you can wipe it off before it dries and just start over. The first coat is complete. Let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then start the second coat. Add 2 or 3 more coats until the reflector is completely blacked out. Let it dry for a few hours, remove the masking paper, remove the painter's tape, then enjoy your new look. First, clean the area using isopropyl alcohol. Then spray some isopropyl alcohol over the area and leave it wet. This will aid in getting the vinyl letters in the correct position. Place the letters, dry the area, and you're done. When you install interior LED lights, you can either wire the power directly into the fuse box, like I did in my Supra, or you can use a 12-volt power socket adapter. For the GR Corolla, I chose the 12-volt power socket adapter, or cigarette lighter adapter. Since I also have a radar detector that uses the 12-volt socket, I also needed a 1-to-2 splitter. The radar detector plugs into one and the LED lights plug into the other. I mounted the LED light control box on the back side of the center console. You can hide the wires coming out of the LED light control box by tucking them under the center console and along the sides of the seats. In the front, I mounted the light strips to the seat position adjustment bar. In the rear, there wasn't a good place to mount the light strips, so I decided to cut small holes in the rear floor mat and mount the light strips to the floor mat. To replace the side mirror blinker, you first have to remove the side mirror cover. The easiest way to do this is to just grab the cover and pull it off. Next, remove the lower cover. Use a plastic pry tool on the mirror side to remove the lower cover. Once the covers are removed, take out the blinker and disconnect the wire. Connect the new sequential blinker and then test it to make sure it's working. Once the new blinker is in place, reinstall the bottom cover. With the bottom cover in place, reinstall the back cover and then test the new blinker. Let's check out how the new sequential blinker looks. This is the stock setup. Notice how from the front you can't even see the blinkers on the side mirrors, and from the side they are barely visible. This is the new setup with the sequential blinkers installed. They look great, and they're much easier for other drivers to see.